Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the best camera settings for stunning photos on VIVO V50. So, we're here on our VIVO V50, and in the camera, go into the More and Pro. Here I have my settings saved, and I'll show them to you. But first, let me just this brightness so you'll see better. First, we have the contrast on -0.7. That's the best for me. The next one is ISO on 320. Next one, we have shutter speed, on 1 to 60, 1 to 40, or 1 to 30. It really depends on how is the light in the room that you're taking a photo in. The white balance, I prefer the sunset. It's my favorite. I just like it so much. It's very realistic. And focus, I always have focus on auto, because when I try to take a photo of this keyboard, for example, then I need to 60. Okay, now when I want to have a photo of this keyboard, I need to focus is around this. But when I'm taking a photo of this flower, the focus is here. So the best is to just have it on auto. And let me show you the photos I took with this settings. Yes, I agree. So this is my sleeve. It was just so random. I took a photo of it. Here, the brightness. Okay, here you can see the acoustic foam on my walls. As you can see, it's very good. So next photo, it's on the camera you can see it very overlighted, but it's kind of better. As you can see, the light here doesn't overlight as much on the photos, and you can see every detail. And again, the acoustic foam, because I don't have anything else to take a photo of. So that's it. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.